watching, I be on my When you're watching, I be on my
Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning back into the channel. In today's video, I feel like doing something a little different. I've been seeing this trend over on TikTok. Barbie versus Bratz makeup. Me personally, as a kid, I had both. I was fortunate enough to have both. Shout out to my parents. I had Barbies and I had Bratz. I feel like I was like bigger into Bratz. Like Bratz was really my era as a child. On TikTok, there's this trend going around to where you do one half of your face in like Barbie makeup and the other half in like Bratz makeup. So there's like a template on TikTok and I'm gonna follow that and see which side I end up liking better. So yeah, if you like videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I'm going to do my base off of camera because I don't know how long this is gonna take me. Like my eyebrows, my foundation, all that, and I'll come back once I have a nice solid foundation. You get it? Un momento, por favor. I'm back. Brows are done. Foundation, I primed. Foundation and stuff is done. So I'm on TikTok on my phone. Alright, so this is looking pretty crazy. So from my point of view, the Barbie side is going to be my left side and Bratz is going to be on my right. I went to Target, I got some liquid contour and some liquid blush, so we're gonna do that as well. So I'm gonna start off with highlighter. We'll use this. This is the One Size Concealer in the shade Dark 1. So I'm gonna go through and highlight on both sides first. Here, 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 here. Then it's like a little line here, a little dot here, and two glops here. It's kind of off, but it's okay. Now on the Bratz side, it's like a little swoop. Boop. Boop. It's like a half a heart, and then under the eyes. So that's it for highlighter. Now I'm gonna move on to blush. So for blush, I'm using this Cheek Kiss liquid blush from Milani. This is in the shade 160 and it's named Berry Smooch. There's pink blush on the Barbie side and orange blush on the Bratz side. I do not have an orange blush, so I'm just gonna use the same color on both sides. I'm gonna do a small little dot here. And boop, boop, and boop. So now I'm gonna go in and add my contour. For contour, I'm using the liquid contour, also from Milani. This is in the shade 4 and it's named Cocoa. So here, 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 on the eye. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, that's everything. So I'm gonna look at myself without the filter now. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. So now I'm going to blend all of this out. If you decide to try this out or try something like this out and it's like dried up on the face, get you some setting spray and wet it up. It should make it easier to work.
Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son and fish up. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own.
I look crazy. I'm gonna take a quick detour and work on this contour.
Baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside and
Now, we're gonna go in and blend out this blush real quick.
Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
And I'm back. I'm gonna go in with some of this One Size Beauty powder. This is in the shade Translucent, and I'm gonna use this to set my face. I'm gonna go in and dust off any of this excess powder. I could tell I need a lip liner, but I don't really do lip liners, so I'm just going to use my the thing I use for my brows. But I'm gonna set my face with some One Size Beauty On Till Dawn spray, setting spray. Let me hold my breath. Patrick, if you could just fix the scent, it would be perfect. On the Bratz side, definitely giving like a lip liner. I remember that from the Bratz dolls. They definitely line their lips. So there's nothing on the Barbie lip side, so I don't know. I'm just gonna use this lip oil from Makeup Revolution. Now that I've done the basics of this filter, I'm gonna add to it. So I'm gonna do some mascara. Then as far as a blush, like the liquid blush, I feel like I need to add some powder blush on top of that. So I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Geek blush. That's all you need. Let's go on top of that blush. Alright, so final thoughts. I can definitely see a difference. I couldn't tell a difference at first, but this half is the Barbie side, this half is the Bratz side. If I had to choose a side that I like more, I like both, but honestly the Bratz side, I like it better because it's more lifted. Like it's like lifting my face. It's giving me like a facelift without having to go get a facelift, because it's a little more dramatic and it definitely lifts the face a lot better, so I'm a fan of that. But I'm not mad at the Barbie side, you know. I was definitely scared at first because it was a lot and it dried down quick, so I kept having to like wet my face and blend it out and wet my face and blend it out, and I feel like it just got messy. I'm going to kind of fix this up and zhuzh this up a little better, add some highlighter and stuff, and I'm gonna keep recording videos. I'm not mad at it. Like it's not too off except for like the blush. But let me know what you thought of this. What side was your favorite? Did you like the Barbie side more, or are you like me and you're more of like a Bratz fan? If you want me to keep doing these micmac TikTok trends and stuff, let me know. Thank y'all for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. If there's anything you want to see, leave it down in the comments below, and I will see y'all in the next video.